Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace struts on a Toyota Sequoia. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a floor jack, jack stands, and a complete socket set. Make sure you have the correct replacement struts for your specific Sequoia model. Park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Once the vehicle is safely on jack stands, remove the wheel to access the strut. Carefully detach any brake lines or ABS sensor wires from the strut assembly. Next, unbolt the lower strut mounting bolts from the control arm. Then, move to the engine bay and remove the upper mounting nuts that secure the strut to the vehicle's frame. With the old strut removed, carefully guide the new strut assembly into place, aligning the upper mounting studs. Hand tighten the upper nuts first. Then, align the lower mounting holes and insert the bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reattach the brake line and ABS sensor, ensuring they are properly secured and not pinched. After installing the new strut, lower your Sequoia and torque the wheel's lug nuts to the recommended specification, typically around 90 to 100 foot-pounds. It's crucial to get a wheel alignment soon after replacing struts to ensure proper tire wear and vehicle handling. Finally, for an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.